Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Mugshot filter on Instagram and how to use this filter. So you have two options. You can select background and you can make video without background also. So to get this filter on Instagram you can visit the creator profile. Keller is the creator of this filter. You can follow her to unlock all her filter to your camera tray. She is having some awesome filter. So check in our filter gallery and this is the filter Mugshot. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can try the filter. And suppose you are not getting the filter like this, then what you can do, you can visit this website also. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Likewise, okay, and that's it. Likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.